class 3 students. I am back with all of you with a revision class. Today is 22nd of July and we are going to have our first UTs from 27th July. We have 5 days in between and we are full on in the mood of revision, and we have done basically one time revision of each topic. We have 3 chapters in English syllabus for UT1, 2 from grammar and 1 from literature. So we have done one worksheet of each chapter and we have been doing revision since last 3 days. So I'll be giving a combined revision of grammar section today. The 2 chapters we have. First one is the alphabetical order. And the second one is nouns, common and proper. Some of you must be having a doubt कि मैम common और proper आपने बोला है लेकिन आपने तो worksheet में collective nouns भी दिए थे. So if you go through the chapter in the book, the heading of the chapter is nouns, common and proper, but collective noun is a part of this chapter. That's why I have kept it in the syllabus. I have not given anything out of the syllabus. Okay, so you have to do both common and proper plus collective nouns. You have been given a table in the book. You have to learn those collective nouns. Okay, so in these 2 chapters, as we have done the worksheets, so and from the first chapter, the alphabetical order, the questions, I will be basically telling you again the type of question I can ask for and how to attempt those. First of all, your exams would be like in the form of the question paper you received in the earlier sessions. वैसा ही question paper आपको दिखेगा. It would be half of objective and half of subjective. यानी कि कुछ ऐसे होंगे जिसमें आपको सिर्फ one word या tick करने होंगे, and some answers would be like quite like big, lengthier than that. Okay, and if you go to the literature part, the answers are very small. These are not like 2-3 marks से कोई नहीं है, but I try to split those answers और उसी content में से. I told you earlier also, chapter को अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे आप, then there can be so many one word answers from that chapter, and those one word answers can be used as MCQs, that can be used as true false, that can be used as fill in the blanks, that can be given as question answer also. So आपको हर तरीके से वो आंसर आ सकता है, क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. So please read the chapter thoroughly. उस chapter को read करिए and keep the details, minute details in your mind. Okay. So talking about the grammar portion, the alphabetical order, the basic thing which can come in the exam is to arrange the words in alphabetical order, and we know the rules. Rule number 1 is to check the initial letter. Rule 1, initial letter. If the initial letter is same of some words in the list, so what to do, you have to move on to the next letter. Second letter check करेंगे आप, और ये तब तक चलेगा. अगर second letter भी same है 2 words का, तो आप third check करेंगे. And this procedure goes on जब तक आपको एक different letter नहीं मिल जाता उन words में comparison करने के लिए. And what is the basis of comparison? A to Z. ABCD जो हमें पता है उसका एक sequence है, and that is called alphabetical order. उसी के basis पे आप इसको alphabetical order में arrange करेंगे. Next type of question that can be asked is about like circle the word which comes first in alphabetical order in this group, or circle the word which comes last according to alphabetical order in this group. कुछ words का collection होगा, उसमें से जो first word होगा alphabetical के according उसको circle करना होगा, या last को. Vice versa, दोनों में से कोई भी case आ सकता है. So in that case also आपको करना क्या है, basically सबसे पहला काम आपको arrange ही करना है. When you arrange the words, list of words in alphabetical order, then you get the first and last also. Okay, so first of all you will give numbers and then decide which one is the first and which one is the last. So this is about the alphabetical order. इसके हम supporting videos भी देख चुके हैं. What else can come from this? There are so many other exercises to arrange the jumble letters to make an animal name. So these kind of like can be coming in the MCQ. I can give a jumble word जिसमें jumble letters हैं. You have to give the correct animal name or fruit name or whatever name उस choice में दिया होगा MCQ में, आपको correct वाला tick करना है. So there can be formation, different formation of questions. एक ही type का question जो आपकी book में जैसे दिया वैसा नहीं हो सकता, उसमें कुछ changes भी होंगे. Now how to attempt, कैसे attempt करेंगे आप? You will be attempting the paper on a proper sheet or a notebook, और उस notebook की अच्छा सा clear click लेके आपको upload करना होगा, and the source, the link जहाँ आपको upload करना है वो आपको बता दिया जाएगा. Okay, and please use good handwriting, use good stationery items like sharpen your pencils and use eraser if required. Do not overwrite means cutting करके नहीं लिखना है. Try to write beautifully, because it's online correction time, so it would be easier if you have written beautifully. अगर कुछ भी आपने you have overwritten something, so maybe उसी वजह से आपके marks deduct हो जाएंगे. Okay, so keep it in mind. Now talking about common and improper, इसमें क्या क्या हो सकता है? The basic question that can be asked is to underline the common and circle the proper. Vice versa, circle underline different हो सकता है कि किसको करना है. So keeping in mind, common nouns are basically name of anything, like birthday is also noun, किसी proper day का name है when you were born. And avoid you were confused in that exercise, I think, जिसमें मैंने लिया था she stays in Chennai, if you remember. कुछ बच्चों ने stays को भी किया होगा. Stay is a verb, so keep in your mind, एक बार check ज़रूर कीजिए, cross check, ये कोई action word तो नहीं है, because action words are not nouns. Nouns are basically names of anything like person, place, animal or thing. Okay, तो बेसिक क्वेश्चन यही आ सकता है कि सर्कल द कॉमन नाउन एंड अंडरलाइन द प्रॉपर नाउन. सबसे अच्छी पहचान क्या हो सकती है? दे आर बिगिनिंग विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. प्रॉपर नाउन्स, कॉमन नाउन में आपको कुछ ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग करना पड़ेगा. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन कैन बी, आई विल बी गिविंग यू अ कॉमन नाउन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिटी. आई हैव गिवन इट इन द वर्कशीट ऑल्सो. You have to give a proper noun for it. So many cities are there, so I am writing New York. एंड इसी में मैंने न्यूयॉर्क इसीलिए लिखा है क्योंकि इसमें एक और कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा. अगर हम प्रॉपर नाउन लिख रहे हैं उसमें एक से ज़्यादा वर्ड्स आ रहे हैं, न्यूयॉर्क, ताजमहल, व्हाट इज रेड फोर्ट, तो हर एक वर्ड का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि आप इसको ऐसे लिख दें, न्यू का तो एन कैपिटल एंड यॉर्क वाई. नो, दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट, दिस वन इज करेक्ट. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव, एंड यस, न्यूयॉर्क इज द सिटी. So these type of questions can be coming. Second can be like, I will be writing a wrong sentence with not proper punctuation or proper capital letters wherever required, और आपको उसको सही करके लिखना है. Proper nouns जहाँ पर है उनका initial letter बड़ा करना होगा, और the sentence, the first letter of the sentence should be capital, वो ध्यान रखना है. Okay, so these kind of words. Now talking about proper nouns, names of days, months, festivals, monuments, person, basically your friends, and these basic words are always proper noun. Okay, now the next part that is included in proper and common is, this is collective nouns. Collective noun की लिस्ट दी गई है, there are so a bit of like small exercises there. उसमें से आपको easily कुछ collection मिल जाएगा, and I can give it both the ways. दोनों तरीके से मैं दे सकती हूँ. मैं collective noun बता सकती हूँ, आपको उसके members बताने हैं, और I can tell you the members और आपको उसके लिए collective noun use करना है. For example, I can ask a group of ants is called colony. I can also ask in a reverse way, the collective noun colony is used for group of, so you will have to write ants there. और या फिर मैं इसको MCQ में दे सकती हूँ, the collective noun colony is used for group of dash. I'll give 3 options: ants, people or singers. So you will take on the first option. So in different ways, true false में भी आ सकता है, fill ups में भी आ सकता है. तो these kind of question can be asked in different ways. And one more thing, word meaning from your chapters can be also asked in these exercises. MCQ में भी पूछ सकते हैं और filling the blanks में भी. So don't be confused and prepare well with 2 chapters, alphabetical order and common and proper nouns. I hope you are doing it, and do it again. And I'll be giving a test today after the class. I'll be posting it. आपको वो टेस्ट करना है and send me the pictures. Okay, do it neatly please. Okay, and WhatsApp me the pictures, a clear picture of it. I'll be giving a small test. थोड़ा सा mixing होगा उसमें, alphabetical order के कुछ questions होंगे, कुछ common, proper, कुछ collective noun. So do it and post it till evening. शाम तक कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this was the end. It's a small session because मैं ज़्यादा नहीं, मैं सिर्फ आपके कुछ doubts जो मुझे लगे वो clear करना चाहती थी. So this was about this session. Hope you enjoyed and do well in the test. Bye bye.